Okay, I think we're back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. I think I'm back though. Nothing yet, guys. There's no buys, no shorts, nothing. We're just getting set up. Like I'll tell you. You'll see when I'm in a trade. I'll let you know. Y'all are so impatient. Ridiculous. Calm down. Yo, what's good, Sam Gamer? What happened? My internet went out, man. I don't know what the hell's going on. Like the whole internet went out, and I had to go reset my router. And anyways, I'm back. What up, CJ? All right, let's finish up this analysis, guys.
Hello, motherfucker. I don't know why that looks like that.
Sent the chart out to the Telegram guys. Sending the link out to YouTube chat. This looks lovely. Tapped in here, pushing down on the weekly. Previous day, bearish engulfing. Jesus, not again. Good morning, gents and ladies. What up, Frederick? Arquettes, what's good? Let's see. Answering questions now, guys. Pieter says, hi, why don't you send out message if you are not doing live? For example, last week and you don't answer in Discord. Well, if you were in the lives before, you would have heard me say that I wasn't going to be live because I was out of town. So, sorry, man. I mean, I can't please everybody. Why don't you notify us before you come to the stream? Right, dude? I'm sorry, man. I mean, I get it to you. It may seem like a reasonable request, but understand there's like hundreds of you guys like messaging me. Like, I have 1,600 people in the Telegram. I have like 5,000 people on my Instagram. I have like 15,000 people on the TikTok. I have like 200 students, and I have fucking... There's a lot, dude. There's no way I can please everybody. So I'm sorry if I didn't meet your satisfaction. I'll try to be better, man. Morning, fam. Morning, Ryan. Morning, Ryan. I mean, gold right now, I think gold is still pushing down. Like, I think this is like a pullback here from this initial movement down. This pullback here could be a retest of this broken area. So, yeah, I'm gonna play it by ear first because the market has been a little weird just because it's August. You know, you have a lot of people that in the market that has the volume to be able to move the market, like the market makers coming in, and you know, usually around this time it's easily manipulated just because you got to think about people finishing summer vacations, going back to school, like where we are as a society, you know, like most traders. So, and that's why the market's been a little iffy, and I've used like the pending orders just to be able to catch like quick moves. But we'll see what the market looks like. Sometimes you have to be able to pivot, you know, like morning everyone. I'm up 10% for the month. It's been great. Awesome. Darren, what strategy is being used to get these entries? This is my breakout strategy that I've developed over the many years of trading. So hi, I registered for 1 month VIP, but you were only live on 6 days out of 30 days ever since you were more occupied with making more money out of passing other people's prop challenges. It's unfair. Leo, the VIP is not exclusive to just live streams. The VIP is where I send out trades I'm taking, breakdowns, analysis, answering questions, and I do lives that I don't do on here with that. So sorry if you misunderstood what VIP was, but oh, okay. Yeah, another thing, like the amount of trades that, like, understand I can't control the market, so I don't send out trades if there's nothing like set up for me to trade, you know. And the VIP is not it's not like I don't want it to be misunderstood as like a signal room. Like I do send out trade ideas, but it's not meant for that really. You know, like the VIP should be where you're getting more like attention, more value, more education, more like just being able to understand and ask questions directly there. Like, hopefully that makes sense. What is a 2-day boot camp about, and where do I find info on it? I actually don't have like any info written out on it, but the 2-day boot camp is going to be kind of a crash course to get you up to par of like setting a nice foundation and being able to go over advanced techniques, advanced psychology, things to help you scale smaller accounts, pass challenges, things like that. But oh, look at GJ. I was thinking about like a sell below here, but these wicks I don't like, and then this is just kind of a small little move there. I'm gonna play it a little safe here. Hey, tomorrow, guys, I'll be streaming with Trading Nut, and yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. Change up the mood a little bit. Change up the mood a little bit. Let's go back to blue. Yeah. Why aren't you selling GJ after the breakout of the consolidation? Because this consolidation right here was for the Asian session on a Monday, and there's wicks right here, and the room from the bottom of this level of support to this next level of support. Oh shit, you can't see. So look, the breakout from this level of support down to this level of support, it's not enough. Like, look, if I measure this, that's about 16 pips, okay? 15 pips. That's if the candle closes like literally right there. When you add spread into that, you have about 10 pips to be able to catch something. It's not enough. Like I need more than that. I need like 15, 20 for there to be an opportunity. Because think about it, like the candle, I'm not going to enter till the candle closes. So if the candle closes below more than 2 pips, the risk to reward ratio is going to be off. It's not going to give for my first target, right? AJ looks more clean. AUDJPY. I understand, sorry. Thank you for the knowledge, though. You're welcome. How far will it drop? I don't know, guys. Like, remember, our job as traders is not to predict price. Like, it's to react to price. So, like, I'm not here to speculate, oh, it's going to go this far, this far. I'm just identifying potential targets, right? And I'm going to react to what price does. So, I'm just waiting and I'm being patient. I wish. Oh, you know what?
Hello,
I think I can.
motherfucker.
There we go. Oh, my glasses are like super dirty. Man, I took a fat ass nap earlier. Good morning, Banks. Familiar, what's good? What's good, Rajan? Yeah, man. If you're asking how fast you can double $100 account, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Like, you're not going to last as a trader, because your goal shouldn't be how quickly can you double. Your goal shouldn't be, especially with the $100 account, man. I mean, damn, that's like, your margin of error is going to be very, like, you don't have a lot of room to play with. So remember, guys, don't focus on the money, focus on the skill, focus on having a nice setup, a nice trade, being able to rationalize, tell the story, like, why are you taking the trade? Blue Black, yo Banks, what's good, bro? Been a while. Yeah, I've been off last week. I was in Denver. And I was only sending out trades for my VIP. I'm gonna be changing the lives as well, guys. I'm gonna focus more on the VIP, and I think I'm gonna only do, like, maybe I'm gonna do the recaps and the analysis. I'm gonna put them on YouTube, and maybe do like one live a week, and then the rest I'm going to be on my VIP. I went to Denver for it was one of my buddies' birthday, and we spent the week out there. It was pretty fun. Ugh. Man, there goes the freaking internet again. Ever gonna do a discount promo for passing prop challenges? Nah, hell no, man. I mean, like, the prop challenges take a lot of my time, man. Like, so, like, if I'm not getting paid for them, I just don't want to put my time and effort into it, you know? So, in fact, actually, right now is a discount because next month the price is gonna go up. Yeah, so. Yeah, and you can lock in a spot for yours for the challenge, and just like if I was to do it, I would lock in the spot, and then you can buy your challenge later. You know, because in September, I'm gonna take the first week off, and then the second week the prices are gonna go up. No, actually, I don't know why I'm tired. I took a really nice nap earlier today. I fell asleep like around 3 o'clock and woke up at 8. So like 5-hour nap, 5-hour power nap. And after my surgery, I've been sleeping so much better. So, let's see what the news has for us today. Got some CAD news. I do have a promo actually available for, well, anybody that wants to join. But there's only 6 spots left. And in the promo, you get the course, phase 1, phase 2. You get a 1-hour one-on-one with me. You get VIP for lifetime access, and you get access to the 2-day boot camp. If you're in the Telegram, I sent that out. Actually, did I only send this out? Here, let me send this out too. I'll send it out to the Telegram. There's 6 spots left if you guys want to join that. Yeah, I did that promo because we got a bunch of new people that came. I know a lot of people are here from a lot of new people are here from the Trading Nut interview. The link, I sent it out in my Telegram. There's 6 spots left, and I mean, all of that together is like over almost $3,000. Like, so I don't want to hear no give us a promo and fucking discount. So, and I hadn't done a promo in like a month, so. But there's only I'm only doing so many spots for that promo. I know there's a couple of people that already signed up. I don't know how I can. Yeah, well, I think I can put it in the. Yeah, and the giveaway, I announced the winners on my Instagram. And I did get the DMs. I'm going to send out the link for you guys soon. the people that won the access to the boot camp. The Telegram link. Let me put it on the screen for you guys. There's the link. Because I know on the TikTok, for some reason the link doesn't work. Yeah, for the challenge service, it has to be minimum 100,000. I don't do the smaller ones. Gold's just consolidating. Banks, isn't it better for the public to take the challenge themselves so that they can learn? Otherwise, they will just blow after. Honestly, look, like, I don't recommend taking a challenge unless you're consistent and profitable, because you won't pass it. You have somebody else pass your challenge for you, you can still make money on your funded account, but the one thing I would recommend is to really like lower your risk, right? Because you're already, you have a 6-figure account minimum. So I would be like risking like 0.25%, 0.5% a trade. Normally I'm risking 1 to 3% on my account, right? But if you're not like consistent and profitable, then I would do 0.25. And you know, if you're taking my live trades or you're taking the trades in the VIP, you know, you'll be fine. You'll make some money while you learn, right? But just because you still have the same rules that apply, right? Your daily drawdown, your maximum, your overall drawdown. So I would just, like I said, lower your risk, you know, whatever your normal risk is, cut it in half, if not more. What? Just being patient, guys. If you want me to do other charts, you can do one of those super chats and I'll do analysis on those. Otherwise, I'm just going to be watching these two. Because there's too many people asking for too many things. Like, I'm not here to please everybody. I'm just trading. I will look at Bitcoin though, because I wanted to see something. Yeah, this shit, like, and this jumped up to 25. I honestly think that this looks to me. To be something like this. I would say something like that before we see it go up. What? Lord Banks, now you love that New Zealand man, you never call anymore? What you mean? Yo, we are at 3,932 subscribers. Can we crack 4,000 today? Because your interview, one of the best on there. Oh, I appreciate it, man. Thanks. You know, that was actually the first interview I've ever done, really. Like, for, like, trading. I've done interviews before in the past, but not for trading. So, and I've had other people message me that want to like collaborate, partnerships, and all kinds of different stuff. But you know, I don't want to tie my name or my community to anything that I don't believe in. Because I just feel like if like, how do I put this, like I feel like I have a responsibility to take care of my community, right? Like, I don't want to just anyone, because you got to understand this industry, there's a lot of like people that operate in gray areas or people that operate for different motives, and you know, you have to be careful with that. So I don't want to expose you guys to something that may not be in your best interest, you know? So I know I get a lot of emails, people wanting to do collaborations and partnerships, and I don't want you guys to take it the wrong way if I'm not responding or if I decline. I just, sometimes I have to like investigate a little bit, do a little bit of research and check your stuff out before I feel comfortable, you know, exposing my community to whatever it is that you got going on, right? Even if it's just doing a live stream together with somebody else, you know, I don't know. I want to make sure I'm aligned with that person and their, you know, their intentions. So hopefully that makes sense. Yes, excellent interview. Thank you. That is really cool, man. Trust is really important. Appreciate it. Speaking with bioethical terms there, Banks, did you go to med school? Actually, you know, what's funny is I actually dropped out of college. And I left college my senior year. I left the university it was I had one semester left before I graduated, and I left because my business kind of took off, and I was busy with that, and I was earning six figures, and I just, I went all in on my business. But I was pre-med, and yeah, I wanted to be a I wanted to be a trauma surgeon, and I left school for business, and yeah, so yeah, I was I had a was the study was in bio and minor in computer science, and I was pre-med. I wanted to go to medical school, but I left before I got anywhere close to that. Interesting fun fact about me, but I will say my consulting firm specializes or is primarily focused in the biomedical industry, like biomedical engineering and pharmaceuticals. So I'm pretty like accustomed to medical terms and different terminologies like that. Now seeking better work-life balance. I see. Nice. Now in research, writing papers, etc. Nice. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, I think honestly, finding your way, finding what you like to do is the most important thing, because, for example, for me, I know after the interview, a lot of people were like, "Oh, how is it possible to do so many different things?" Like, you look at it as doing so many different jobs or different work. Like, think about your life and think about how many hobbies you have. Okay. If you have more than one, it's for me, it's the same thing. Like, if you I like to go hiking, and I like to watch movies, and I like to read books, and I like to play the guitar, and I like to, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Those are multiple things. Like, for me, all of my business ventures were like, if I wasn't getting paid to do it, I would still like to do it because I have a lot of fun with it, so for me, it's not like I'm sitting there, oh, I gotta go to work and I gotta, I get to wake up and have a good time. Yes, we are all aware London session hasn't even started. That's funny. 7:23 a.m. in London session. We're just getting ready, bro. Is it okay if we get on a little bit before London session, or you want me to start the live stream right at London session? Your outlook is refreshing, man, and perspective disappearing these days. Yeah, I like to keep it simple, man. I think us as human beings, we overcomplicate things, which also translates to a shitty way of trying to be a good trader, overcomplicating things, which is why I got rid of indicators, because it's just more layers and layers of nonsense and shit that I just don't, let's just keep it simple, man. Keep it simple. Enjoy the things that you do. If you work on those things that you enjoy doing hard enough, eventually they start making you money. The opportunity is there, especially I have some people that are like, oh, I like to do this, but I have no way of thinking of how that could make me money. And it's like, it's not your job. That's not your job, right? Your job should be whatever you like doing, get really, really good at that. And you're going to get really good because you like doing it. So the more time you spend at it, the better you're going to get. And then when you become good and a leading expert in that thing, there's other people out there that want to know how to get to that level, in whatever it is you do, I watched, I came across this YouTube channel, Um, it is pretty crazy. Like, this is just to kind of solidify the example I'm giving you guys. The guy has a YouTube channel on tying shoes. Okay, so like all he does is tie shoes and tie shoes in different ways. Like, and people are like supporting this and like watching it by like hundreds of thousands. Like, you know, you gotta understand. Like, it's we overcomplicate things. The dude is not doing anything special but tying shoes. You know, so like you have to stop overthinking. Like, just whatever the guy must really like to tie shoes, you know. And I've seen some that do like tying ties, you know. They turn it into like a gentleman channel and like ties, different types of ties, how to tie them, different types of ties and knots and blah 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 and blah blah blah. Like, you know, that's not anything like out of this world. Like, you know, I think people we just overcomplicate things to a whole nother level, you know. But it's in our nature, you know, like as human beings, it's in our nature to do that. It's in our nature to, like, we question everything that's easy, right? It's like, wait, it can't be that easy. It has to be more hard. I have to struggle. I have to, you know, go through hard times. Like, and really, you don't, you know. Really, you don't. Easy for women using OnlyFans, that's for sure. Yeah, but you know, it's like, without the men buying, that wouldn't exist. Without the men sexualizing before to create that industry and space, it wouldn't exist. You know, like if men weren't participating in that, it wouldn't exist. You know, like, so it's like, that is a result. It's a cause and effect, right? Because of the many years of over sexualizing and how adverts are used, and they use, you know, sex sells and stuff. They've molded a society to allow that to flourish, you know. And really, honestly, like, too, OnlyFans doesn't, like, it's not all about like sex. I know there's like OnlyFans accounts where people are like entrepreneurs, and they show you like different strategies for business and stuff like that. So it's not all about, you know, naked women. I don't know. Maybe we're getting off topic, but yeah, I'm kind of excited to do the live stream tomorrow. Still hasn't answered how he got those levels. What levels, bro? Were you here from the beginning? Because I did top-down analysis and marked it all up. Yo, Banks, why can't I comment on your YouTube live? Are the comments disabled there? In order to comment on the YouTube live, you have to subscribe and be subscribed for like 10 minutes or something before it allows you to comment. I did that because every day there was like this spam account that was coming on, like putting like all kinds of crazy things in there. So for like some dating website or something, I don't know what it was, but and now they're not on there. So people in chat are crazy. Yeah. It's already take sell stop. Spin 60 chill. TP 50 pips below. Chill, have a drink. Toss what? Yeah, well, I wouldn't sell right here. Like, th- there's a lot of indecision here, you know? Like, look at the wicks and support. Like, you want to clear out of that.
Hello,
And you clear
motherfucker.
out of that here, but the thing is from here to here isn't good enough. So, I mean, you could probably put a pending order below here, below these wicks, and take 10 pips, um, if you wanted to. Bro, is it possible for the government to ban trading? You know, I don't think so, man. To be honest, like, I think there could be more regulation. I don't think that they can stop
Hello,
trading because
motherfucker.
really at the like the basic understanding of it, like, you know, before there was money, which is currency, right? You know, people traded goods and services. Like, it's always going to happen. It just happens to be this is happening in a digital space, right? And with Web3 and decentralization and stuff, like, I just highly doubt they'll be, even if they wanted to, be able to stop it. Like, you know, um, maybe more regulation to, like, tighten and put things in place for, you know, they'll spin it for the society's benefit, but really it's because they ain't getting their cut. In Maldives, it's like banned. We can't take money or deposit from bank. Dang, that's crazy. Ooh, look at gold. Looks like she might want to break down. So the red dotted line is what I'm paying attention to break out of. See how it says potential sells below, potential buys above. The green lines are potential target levels. The way I was able to find these levels is based off of price action to the left, looking to the left. From here down to the left, we got clean price action down to the downside to this level. If we look to the top, we have to move all the way over here because breaking out of here, breaking out of this area, if we look to the left, we only have this movement to right here. And that is not enough for risk to reward. So I put the red dotted line up here because we have this nice wick fill that we can accomplish, and that is a good amount for risk to reward. So hopefully that makes sense. Do you trade like ICT? I don't know what ICT is. Like, I'm sorry. I don't know what that is. I trade my way. Like I've developed this strategy for me. So, do you check the 5 minute? No. I don't. I do top-down analysis, monthly, weekly, daily, set up zones on the 4 hour, refine on the 1 hour, and then set up a breakout zone on the 15 minute. And then I just wait. The stops is going to be above or below the previous wick. ICT, I'm cool too. Is that what that means? ICT means I'm cool too. That's funny. Ugh. Ugh, excuse me. I'm all like yawning in front of the camera like. Damn, that was a fat sell-off. Sitting fat, baby. Ooh, damn. Oh no. Damn, I need to. I am waiting for the market to tell me what to do. I'm not in a trade just yet. Just waiting. Does this strategy effectively work on GU? Yeah. This strategy works on any currency, guys. What I'm leveraging is volume, okay? So you use this strategy during pre-market or market open because you're leveraging volume, okay? That's when this strategy works. But yeah, it'll work on any currency pair.
Hello, motherfucker.
Any currency pair, and gold. It's gold. You just have to be aware that gold likes to spike and like move rapidly. It's very volatile, so be careful with that. And I don't use this strategy on indices. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I can't think of any other job activity that can bring in more money than trading itself. The potential is infinite, but the learning curve is so freaking hard. But hey, it's worth it. Yeah, I think that don't focus on that. Like, don't focus on it being hard or like taking a long time. Because if you want this to work for you, you're going to do it until it is, right? Like, and you have to accept that. You have to accept no matter how hard it gets, no matter how many accounts you blow, no matter how many times you lose, no matter how many times you're frustrated, no matter how many times you feel like you're lost, no matter how many times you don't feel like doing something, you are going to do it. Like, and I talk about that. For me, I call it the no matter what mindset, no matter what mentality, no matter what you're going to do. And once you've convinced your subconscious mind of that, like, it starts working for you, because your subconscious mind is always going to err on let's be in our comfort zone. So when you're trading and things aren't going well, your subconscious mind is the first one to be like, oh, let's just stop this. Let's just quit. Let's not do this anymore because it's uncomfortable. But when you convince yourself that you're going to keep doing even though it's uncomfortable until you figure it out, then your subconscious mind starts helping you figure it out because it doesn't want to be uncomfortable. So it's either going to stop, and once you're convinced that you're not going to stop, it's going to find a way to get better. So then you start firing on all cylinders. That makes sense. Man, I just love your simplicity yet skillful. Kojo Forex talked about you, and I'm happy he did because I just love your strategy and humility. I don't know who's Kojo Forex. Kojo Forex. I still don't know why your target to the upside is the long wick and not the treble top to the left. On what? On gold or on? Do you teach people / let people copy your trades? On the live, I mean, you can take the trades that I'm taking. On VIP, I send out my trade ideas. I send out chart breakdowns, analysis. I do lives with them. And then, I do have a course out. I'm doing a boot camp, 2-day boot camp here in a couple days, or this weekend actually. And then I do one-on-ones as well. I do have a promo right now that includes the course, 1 hour one-on-one, VIP lifetime, and 2-day boot camp. There's a few spots left on that. Yeah, you can go to this link on the screen here and find everything. Yeah, just I mean the promo, but the promo there's only like, I did it for 10 spots and I think there's like 6 spots left. But like for example, the course is, the phase 1 is 300, phase 2 is 450. A 1 hour one-on-one with me is 1500. The VIP lifetime access, I'm not even giving out VIP lifetime access anymore, and that's 450 when I was giving it out. The 2-day boot camp is 150. I'm giving all of that in the promo for 475, but only for 10 spots total, and there's 6 left. Yeah, and I'll add the link here. There's always that one guy. Should you take more risk on a small account and scale back after, or be consistent throughout? I'll tell you, like, you can take more risk, but understand that when you're, like, if you're flipping an account, that risk management is not sustainable. So you can't expect to double your account every single day, right? Now, if it's very small, then you should try to get it to like somewhere where you can just take 0.01s or 0.1s or whatever. But I would not focus on trying to scale quickly. I would focus more on consistency, right? No matter how small the account is. Because think about it, it's like, do I want this to be something that's going to last forever, replace my income, supplement my income, become my primary income? Or do I want this to be like a one-time thing? Am I just trying to make $100? Am I just trying to make $1,000? Like, most people come into this wanting this to be something to replace or supplement or become primary, and in order to accomplish that, you have to be consistent, right? So whenever you're flipping accounts, you have to be good at switching your hat, at knowing what's sustainable and what's not, because otherwise, you develop bad habits, right? And those habits, you end up like just blowing accounts. Nice. Yeah, 1% a day keeps the job away. Trust I started compounding 1% a trade 2 years ago with small account. Now I trade full time. Congrats, brother. Congrats. You need to trade larger time frames, people. 15 minutes is noise. Well, the smaller time frames is going to be for scalps, bro. The larger time frames, yeah, you can swing it. You can have a trade within a trade. You can hedge it. There's so many different things you can do. You understand there's no right or wrong way to do this, right? Banks trade 4 hours. Do you have the same capital as a bank? A 4 hour, like, I would focus on 4 hour for swings, and even like, think about it. On a 4 hour move, watch out, I'll show you. Let's just go on one that I don't have a. So 4 hour, okay. If you're looking at this on the 4 hour, you can see here, okay, looks like we're hitting the level of support there. Here's a level where it broke, it came and retested, pushed down. Is it gonna hold, push up? But here's the thing, here's the 4 hour. And let's say this is bearish, and it's been bearish this whole movement here, right? This whole movement, it's been bearish, right? So this is 4 hour. You're saying, okay, just trade on the 4 hour, and you want to go the direction it's going. This is bearish. But watch, right here, you could have bought this here, taken a profit there. Right? That's a pullback. Here's another one. There's a pullback. Here's another pullback right here. Right? So you see these These are what I like to call trades within a trade. It's moving down overall. But if you would have taken buys right here, right here, right here, you'd have won. And it's still moving down. Here's another one. Right? And you could have, at the same time, taken a sell over here. Right? You could have had a swing sell, taking a buy right there, 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 taking a buy right there. So one trade, one setup, and pullbacks. So this is like that technique that I talk about that I'll be teaching in the boot camp. You know? Just wanted to share that. Hope you guys understand a little bit more. That's why I talk about the same person that takes a buy on one trade or one pair, I can take a sell and we can both make money. We can both win and we'd be taking opposite sides. What do you think of Raja from Market Fluidity? I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know the guy. Frederick Pip. I mean, I've seen his YouTube. I know he has a stream, but I don't really like. I don't know his style. I don't know his. I don't watch enough of him to be able to give you an opinion. Frederick Pip, 140 watching, 30 likes. Come on. I know, right? We have 145 people on the stream and only 34 likes. We got 163 on TikTok and 2,700 likes. Don't trust this guy. He says, don't trust this guy, guys. Yeah, don't trust me for sure. Why not gold? What do you mean? I have gold set up right here. I'm waiting. Banks, quick question. If you were born from a middle-class household and say you win the lottery, would you tell any of your friends / family about the fortune and would you share it? Yeah, I'm very family-oriented. Like, I spoil my family. Like, you know, I take them on vacations and buy them things, and I buy them more things than I don't buy really anything for myself. Like, most of my money goes back into my businesses, developing more, like, just to build them more, you know, and like extra funds I use to spoil my family. I just like doing things for them and taking them places that, you know, otherwise they didn't think were possible. So I get a lot of personal satisfaction out of that. But yeah. If you're from South Africa, I wouldn't tell no one. That's funny. How many years you been trading? I've been trading since 2014. Oh yeah, sorry. If you're looking for the link. message you on Instagram. Could you please have a look sometime today? It's due with my membership. Yeah, I'll check that out. I will check that out, brother. Sorry, it's because I'm getting a lot of like Instagram messages lately. Like ever since the trading thing came out. Oh, hey man, love your videos. You really got my confidence up and trading when trading and helped me with my mindset and psychology. You're welcome, brother. Well, welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I used to be scared to take trades because I was scared to lose money, but now I just let my trades play out. If it hits my stop loss, then I'm out. If it hits my profit targets, then I take my profits or scale out. Nice. I also like that when you trade, you are super calm. You're not getting all hype saying the word banger and all this dumb shit these other traders you say when they trade up. Yeah, man. You understand, like, if you understand trading psychology and knowing the role your emotions play, you don't want to raise your emotions or lower your emotions, because, for example, if you get way too excited when something good is happening on a trade, then you're going to get like super frustrated or angry or sad when it's going bad. Like, you have to maintain a level, stay level headed, whether it goes your way or not, because if you allow your emotions to fluctuate, your emotions could potentially play a role into analyzing charts incorrectly, seeing things that don't exist, you know, impulse triggers to jump into trades, chase trades, you know, over leverage, all those things that you want to take out. And you have to really work at balancing your emotions and keeping steady state, you know. Let's see, that really helped me. Oh, wait. And when you told people about how you can ID support and resistance level by using the line chart, man, that was a game changer for me. You're welcome. Little cheat code that really helped me see levels and trends much more easily. Yeah, it usually does. I don't trade Forex, but I do trade futures, and I like to listen to you talk when I trade during this time. Nice. Why gold always have long weird wicks? That's just gold. It's the way it moves. That's what I was talking about earlier. Because if you only trade PA, and the only thing I have in my price action, only thing I have in my chart is trend lines and support resistance levels and supply and demand zones. Nice. Took all the indicators off my charts and the noise, and I can finally see my chart and candles. I used to trade with 10 plus. Dude, me too. That's I did the same thing, you know. Having all those indicators like ended up just freezing me up, you know, like I couldn't take a trade. They were contradicting each other, you know. Thanks for all you do, man. Too many fake traders out there, and too many fake traders that post paper gains. Yeah. Hey LB, sorry if this is a repeated question. I really want to do the boot camp, but not available at the time. You said it will be recorded. Will I be able to pay for the? Yeah. So if you sign up for the boot camp, the boot camp will be recorded and available 48 hours after the boot camp. Had to break up that long message. All good, man. All good. Hey, bro, do you have a signals group? I don't call it a signals group. I call it VIP, but I send trade ideas. I send out charts. I send out advice. I answer questions. We do lives on there. So, yeah. Crazy, we all started with indicators and realized a simple line is more powerful. Yeah, it is. It's insane. That's why I talk about human beings overcomplicate. You know, we felt like, oh, we need all these indicators to make us better, right? To give us our edge. And what ended up working out better is simple lines. Simple stuff. Uh-oh. US30 I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. Yeah, this GJ price action, all this is disgusting. That's why I have a breakout here and here. Boom, boom. Because this is ugly. It sure is. In fact, a little simple horizontal diagonal line, just connect the dots. Yeah, exactly. Simple stuff, man. Simple stuff. I do have a Telegram, guys. I know there's a lot of new people asking. Just go to this link here, and all the stuff you're looking for is there. Whether it's paid or free or whatever, it's there. What's a good platform in the U.S. to trade US30? That's kind of a loaded question, but you know, it just really depends, man. Like, are you looking for more leverage, or are you looking for tighter spreads, or you know, faster execution times, better customer support? Like, I'm gonna grab a water, guys. Give me 1 second.
Hello, motherfucker. That's funny. That's funny. Funny, funny, funny. Oh yeah, so I also started a private group for member setups that CJ's sending out. It's free. Anyone wants to join that? Trade Asia and London and ride MX all day. Life is bliss. People overcomplicate charting and trading. The hardest part is controlling your emotions, following your trading plan, being disciplined and patient. Sounds easy to do, but it's hard as shit. Yeah, because you realize that you're the only one enforcing the discipline, right? You're the one enforcing your emotions. That's why I talk about it's very underestimated the amount that, like, percentage wise, 80-90% is going to be mental and psychology, like, because the actual technical part of it is very simple. It's not rocket science. It's not something difficult. If you are not a patient person, trading is not for you. Yeah, because sometimes you have to sit hours and hours waiting for your trade setup to develop. Yeah,
Humans do not like waiting. We want everything to happen now. Yeah, especially in such an on-demand culture and society right now. Like, think about it. You know, you want food, you can order it. It's being delivered right away. You want a product, Amazon Prime, boom. And some cities have Amazon Prime in like a couple of hours or something. You know, you want to watch something, boom, on demand. Like everything is on demand, instant gratification, and that has completely ruined, you know, being able to slow down, be patient, take your time, and you know, gain that long term satisfaction. So, but yeah, I agree. Um, this one. I did the boot camp giveaway. I commented on the. I messaged the guys that won, and I sent the messages on Instagram. If you go look at the post on Instagram, the ones I replied to are the ones that won. He said I was collecting indicators like Infinity Stones, RSI, MACD, MA, Bollinger. Yeah, same, dude. I was in the same boat at one point. And even now, like, if you look at my charts, all of these, like, lines and stuff, like, I draw this up so you guys can visually see what I see in my mind, you know? But usually, if I was just trading by myself, like, I would just put these red lines so I can add the alerts and wait for the alerts to alert me and then take the trade. But like all of this stuff on here, even this looks messy, you know? Yeah, I haven't sent out the access code just yet. The boot camp is this weekend, and because I got a lot of messages that I've been trying to get through, so I already chose the winners, and I will be sending out the access code probably in the morning. It's because I have to create the access code and then send it out and stuff. New traders started trading 3 months and think they can be profitable. All of a sudden, trading takes time. It took me 3 years to finally be profitable. Yeah. I would say some people can pick it up pretty quickly. I want to say the people that haven't been corrupted into creating bad habits are the ones usually that pick it up pretty quickly if they have a great foundation and understand what it actually takes. But yeah, you know, sometimes it does take a while. Gold is melting. Oh, she is. This too much. I wouldn't take this here because the risk to reward is now 12 compared to what the stop is going to be is ridiculous. And I almost look, I'm just knowing gold, I think this is going to be a fat wick, like come down and then just wick up and then push up to continue pushing up. Don't hold me to it, but it might be. Sold that gold candle. Hi LB, how's your sleep cycle and recovery from the surgery? It's been good, man. Actually, my I have this like little device thing that measures like my sleep and my heart rate, my breathing, and how much like REM sleep I'm getting. And I've been getting more REM sleep. I'm recovering faster, and I'm feeling recovered. So it's been great. I don't trade Forex, but people tell me to look at the London Asian sessions when trading futures. Could you tell me what were the times they open and close Eastern Standard Time? Yeah, for yeah, 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. is London. Asian is gonna be like 8 p.m. I think it's 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. when it opens, and like 8 hours for that. This is on TradingView, guys. What you're looking at for the charts is on TradingView. It's a charting platform. It does allow you to connect some brokers, but I don't have a broker connected to it. I execute on MT4 and MT5. What did I say? Fat wick. Look where this wick stopped. Right there. Look to the left. I'm going to put the marker right there. What do you see to the left? Literally right there. Pulling all the way up. We got 2 seconds. And I mean, this thing looks like it's... I'm not going to take the sell on that. I'm not taking the sell on that. I'm not going to take the sell on that. I just want to watch this, see if it... This thing popped down like as soon as the candle opened. Oh, fuck. Which one is that? 2240. Fuck, I lost it.
Hello, motherfucker. Where's my...
Yeah, the boot camp. If you buy the boot camp, it will be available. And like if you buy the boot camp and aren't able to attend live, you will have access. Everyone that buys the boot camp will have access to the recording 48 hours after. I'm not gonna sell the recording afterwards, so only the people that buy the boot camp. Yeah, gold broke down and then pushed down here. I didn't take this sell. No, I did not. I didn't take it because the candle was way up here, and the last 2 seconds it pushed down and then pumped down. So I didn't like that price action. Look at it, came and tapped this level right there.
Hello, motherfucker.
There goes GJ. And she's flying. GJ is flying. I don't want it to be this candle that breaks because this is a massive candle. So I hope it's not. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, it's like disconnecting and connecting. I don't know why it's doing that. swear this thing's like. Just being patient, guys.
Hello, motherfucker.
Look at that pullback. Where are you from, Lord Banks? I'm from Texas. I am from Texas. It's tomorrow. Tomorrow's trading session is with Trading Nut. Tony LB, I would like to join that boot camp. Just need to understand the times you'll be on. I start at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, but if you can't make the live, it will be available. The recording will be available 48 hours after for anyone that purchases the boot camp. I will not be selling the recording separately. The recording will only be available to those that purchase the boot camp. tapping our level here. We got about 13 and a half minutes left on this candle. There's no wick to the bottom though. Yeah, for this strategy for the lives, I do on the 15 minute. Why is the wick to the bottom so important? Because if you understand the way the market moves, it moves up and down. It doesn't move in one direction, one clear direction. Usually, when you don't have a wick to one side or the other, there's it's an impulse move, and at some point there's going to be a correction. And when you're dealing with smaller time frames, that correction usually comes within that candle before it closes, causing a wick or the following candle. Just tab down here and push it up. See, this just tapped up there and it's gonna move down. Watch. Watch, just watch. Do you ever trade on the 5 minute? No, I do not. I'm liking gold below 1777. I will include that cleavage. Excuse me. Wow. Yeah. Zoom out. Is that better? Yeah, I wait for it to close, but I don't just wait for it to close and then enter. I wait for it to close and then I read the price action. Because it's not always just as easy as, oh, it's just enter at the close. Yeah. Yeah, that's why like with the lives it's so much easier because I'm explaining and talking through why like for example the gold one that it broke that level, but I didn't take it. Although it would have hit TP1, it just wasn't, I didn't like the way it's set up, so I didn't take it, you know. Just be patient here. We got 6 minutes left on this candle. 6 minutes left on this candle. I trade currency, commodities, and indices. Commodities, gold. Gold. Got 4 minutes left. This thing is crossing here. Three minutes. 3 minutes just waiting for it to close. Two and a half minutes. Indices US30, NAS 100, the S&P 500. Got a minute and a half, guys. It's kind of running away from us here. that would not be in my favor, so I needed to be right around there for me to want to take this trade. So hopefully we get a pullback before it closes to right here, so I can take that trade. Yeah, I think anyone can analyze the chart after the fact. I think to really prove your skill set is to trade live. Yeah, I'm not taking this trade, guys, because this risk to reward is way off. If it comes back down here, to this level, then I will take it. It's got to come back down here though. It's like 3 pips away. If it comes back down here, I'm going to take the trade, guys. If it comes back down here, I'm going to take the trade. Okay, I'm going to jump into a buy, guys. Jumping into a buy, jumping into a buy, jumping into a buy. Putting my stops below the previous wick. My entry here. And 47, and the stop is at 4. It's a 17 pip stop, so my first target here is going to be 17 pips, which is right here. TP1, closing up. So we're up about 10 pips, guys. 10 pips in profit. Because it pulled back to meet my entry for this breakout. That's why I entered there. So we are in an active trade, guys. We are in an active trade. We're in a buy on GJ, about 11, 12 pips in profit. Numbers are on the screen. This is just a scalp, yeah, guys. We are about 10 pips in profit. I don't use indicators, guys. I do not use indicators. So we're in about 12, 13 pips in profit, about 4 pips away from TP1. Come on, baby. 16 pips in profit, about 1 pip away. 1 pip away. Come on, baby. Push, 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 push. Oh, shit. Come on, baby. Here she comes, about 0.02, almost there. There we go, TP1 hit. TP1 hit, guys. You should be adjusting your stops to break even. Taking partials.
Hello, motherfucker.
You know the deal. You know the deal. You know the deal. Get them horns going. Get them horns going. We're up 22 pips. She is pumping. She is pumping. I like it. I like it. I like it. Keep going. Keep going. One time for the people in the back. That scared my dogs. My bad. Yeah, TP1 is hit, baby. TP1 is hit. That's a win. That's a win, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's stick with wins all day. All day. Let's get it. Let's get it. She is pumping, baby. Let's go. Up 23 pips, 24 pips. Hope you guys made some money. Nobody should be taking L's today. Nobody should be taking L's today. Nobody should be taking L's today. Come on, baby. Pump. Pump, 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 pump. DJ Lord Banks in the house. Do you know the direction of the trend, or is it like today? If the direction of the trend is what I pay attention to on the higher time frames when I'm doing top-down analysis. But when I'm doing scalps, it's not. You're not really. Most of the time, the scalps are going to be pullbacks. It's nice if you catch the breakout in the direction of the long-term trend, because then you have a greater potential to hit your TP 2, 3, 4, 5s, you know. But either way, like, we're making money. We're gonna make do with what we got, right? I like that you are super patient with your trades. You wait for your setup that you mapped out on your chart, and then you go from there. Simple and clean, my man. Great job on the trade. Appreciate it, man. Are you live every day, Tuesday through Thursday? My schedule is going to be changing for the YouTube's lives, because I'm going to be doing more with my VIP group. So, yeah, but I'll try to see what I can do. Oh. I want to spend more time with my my VIP group. More lives with them, more hands-on stuff with them. So she's still pumping up, guys. Just creating a bottom wick there, not worried about that. If you go to this link right here, you'll find all the links, all the products and services I offer on here. Got about 45 minutes left on the stream. We are still in this trade. We are in profit. We already hit TP1. At TP1, guys, you should be adjusting your stops to break even, taking partials, or taking the whole, trade if you want. At TP1 is 1-to-1, right? So whatever you were risking, you just gained. So it should be a win for you guys. Yeah, and I'm not going to be taking another trade, guys. This will be just the only one that I take today. Keep the winning streak alive, baby. I mean, you need to read the text on the link LBFX Academy training course. Which one? On the link, every time that little kid says hello motherfuckers, I can't stop. It's because I set that up like a long time ago. Whenever somebody subscribes whenever somebody subscribes to my YouTube, there's that little kid that comes on and he says hello motherfucker. I thought that was funny. I didn't when I set that up, there was only like 5 people that were like following me on my streams and stuff. And I didn't think it was gonna get to this level. Like, so sorry, but yeah, like now there's like 4,000 people. So just think about that. It's said that hello motherfuckers about 4,000 times. That's funny. Anyways, we're at 3,971 subscribers. We got 170 people on the text isn't complete. Oh, maybe it's the wrong link then. Whoops. Is it on the... Oh, I think I know which one you're talking about. I'll fix it later. I probably updated the wrong one. Yeah, we got 178 people in here. 81 likes, guys. We hit TP1. We made profit here, guys. If you made money with me today, if you learned something, if you enjoyed the stream, please consider hitting that like button and consider subscribing. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Turn on that notification bell so you're notified when I go live. And yeah, let's see if we can we get to 4,000 subscribers today. I know there's got to be like 20 of you guys that aren't subscribed to my channel yet on here. Just hit the subscribe button, baby. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Hello, motherfucker.
Bro, best trader on YouTube. Appreciate it. Great stream, LB. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, and the package promo, there's still spots available for those that want to jump in there. It's limited spots. It's like $400, $475, and you get the course. You get a 1-hour one-on-one with me. You get lifetime VIP, and you get the 2-day boot camp, which is fucking insane. But I wanted to do that for all the new people coming in that caught my interview with Trading Nut. If you caught my interview with Trading Nut, tomorrow I will be doing a live stream with Trading Nut. I will be doing basically this live stream, but on Trading Nut's platform. So tomorrow you guys can catch me there. Do you post your profit loss when I ask people that? The only reason I don't like posting that, man, is because I have a large account, and most people don't have the size of account that I have, and it causes, like, it sets people up for failure, like, because people are going to want to trade to gain those kind of the gains that I'm making, but I trade a 6-figure account, okay? So, like, I don't like sharing the amounts and stuff like that, just because I know people and people start over leveraging, over risking, and it's not the way. You shouldn't be focused on the amounts. You shouldn't be focused on that. If you want to see the wins and the losses, like, you can easily go back and look at my lives. It's all on my YouTube. They're all on there. I'm not, running away from whether I win or lose. Even in my VIP, they're all in the history in there. You can check that. But my personal amounts that I'm winning on my account, like, it's not like, I don't want somebody that's trading a $10,000 account to look at that and then want to make that amount, like, it's just not good emotionally. Trading psychology, it's not the way to do things. It's kind of like the same effect of, the traders on YouTube that make videos with stacks of cash. Like, they're selling emotion. Like, you want the stack of cash, so you're like, oh, I'm gonna follow this trader. I don't do that. I'm more focused on the skill, the principles, the technicals, and I don't want to share. And two, I don't want to share how much I'm making and stuff. Like, the world's a crazy place, man. Like, people start. Even now I have people DMing me. Literally, people DM me just to ask me for money. Like, random people that are like, oh, like, everyone has a sob story, and I get it. Like, but I'm not gonna just be giving money out to people. It's weird. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm not like, I only did this. You gotta understand, like, the whole reason I'm here is because I was trading London session, and it was like, it's boring trading by yourself. So I just started trading with, like, people, and like I had a Telegram and a Discord, and then people were like, encouraged me to do lives, so I started doing live sessions, and then more and more people came. The community was built based off what people were asking me. Like, the only reason I have a course is because the people that were here from the beginning were asking me. They kept wanting that stuff, so I just started building the things that you guys were asking for. Like, otherwise, I mean, before then I was just trading by myself, like, in the middle of the night, But I feel like it's more fun, when you do it with other people, and you get to, because it's very boring, like, just sitting here waiting, you know. Yeah. 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 People. Yeah. That's another thing too. Is you gotta be very, like, mentally tough when you're streaming, because everyone's an expert. Everyone's gonna come in and try, like, you know how many times people come in and try to tell me how to trade and tell me, oh no, it's not a buy, it's a sell, or it's a sell, not a buy, and blah 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 blah. Like, I get it. Like, and I'm not here trying to tell you guys what to do. If you want to buy it and I'm selling it, do what you want to do. Follow your plan. Follow, like, especially, like, if you're consistent and profitable, like, keep doing what you're doing. It's obviously working, But I'm not gonna change what I'm doing based on anyone coming in here telling me what to do. Like, I'm sticking to what I know. Whether I win or lose, like, it doesn't matter. I don't care. Like, even if somebody comes in here and they're like, oh, it's a buy and I'm gonna sell, and I lose, I'm still not gonna change what I do. Like, I'm gonna follow my own plan, follow my own strategy, and I'm just sharing that with you guys. Like, whether you want to take it or not, it's up to you. Mark, Pat, LB, this is why I joined the group, because you don't brag your account size. Yeah, I don't think that's important. I think the skill is important. I like it. Yes, the goal is to make money, but you don't get to make money in this game focusing on the money. So, like, it just doesn't matter to me. I hear you, brother. It can get lonely. Yeah, it's about hitting your own trade. Just trade your own strategy and everyone else. Yep. Facts, man. If you are profitable, why should I listen to you? But exactly. Thank you for the free wisdom. You're welcome. You're welcome. And the people that say those things are not even banking. Yeah. Yeah, you know, like that's the thing about this community, like, or this industry. There's a lot of like great network marketers, and there's a lot of people that are selling emotions for different reasons. I didn't start like that. Like I've been like, yeah, I have products and stuff that are available that I charged for because it was something that was asked of me. Like before, I was just trading with you guys, but the more and more people that ask, and like me wanting to help people, like I started doing those things, putting those things together, and like yeah, I charge for them because like my time is valuable. Like you know, I own 8 different businesses, and I understand like for me to spend time doing things, like it cost me my time, and my time is worth money. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm going to spend time, this thing's about to break even. So the runner is about I closed partials at TP1, and my runner is about to break even. And there it goes. Yep, I just closed out break even on my runner. So that's why I tell you guys TP1, take partials, adjust your stops to break even. Because look at this thing just came back and broke even on us. The runner, right? If you didn't take any profits here, then you didn't make any money. But you should have taken profits here. Especially if you have a small account, like at TP1, I would be taking like 90%, if not the whole thing. Like my large account, like I'll take 50%, you know? Like hopefully that makes sense. They teach our indicators. Yeah, I know, dude. I've seen some of the stuff, and you know, that's why like, you know, people ask me like, how did you learn? I didn't learn from anybody because what I saw out there was crap. Like it was not. People are just, you know, mainly making their money from like whatever they're selling. And I'm not about that life. So I wanted to learn for real, you know, like I didn't want to like, I wanted to know this skill. Like I've always wanted to be in that position to trade like that. So, you know, that's where I am now. But do you have a max stop loss, or do you adjust your stop loss on your setup? No, my stop loss usually is going to be below the previous wick. So, but because this one, like for example, this trade hit TP1. As soon as it hits TP1, I'm closing partials and moving my stops to break even. Okay? Because for me, that's a win. There's no reason why to give money back to the market that you've already earned. Like, look at this. This is going into drawdown now. If you would have held and not adjusted your stop loss, you're in drawdown right now. Like, for what reason? For what reason? Don't give back to the market something you already won, right? Now, let me give you some perspective here, because let's say this was Wednesday or Thursday, and let's say I've been winning. Let's say I have 2-3 wins, 2-3 trades that are wins, right? So I've already made profit for the week, okay? Because I withdraw weekly, okay? So let's say I'm in profit for the week. It's Wednesday, Thursday, and it hit TP1. Maybe in that situation for me, I might not take partials and just adjust my stop loss to break even. Why? Because I've already made profits for the week, and I'm going to take a gamble here to leave my full lot to reach higher levels, right? But I wouldn't do that if this is the first trade of the week. I haven't made any profits yet. Like today's the first trade of the week. I took partials, adjusted my stops to break even, and at the very least here, what happened, my runner broke even, but at least I closed partials. So
Hello,
Am I profitable? Like, yes, I made money, right? That's the whole goal here. So, you know, you have to like weigh in on those decisions as you're going through the week. Now, if I've been going through the week and let's say I've had a couple of losses, and now this is like Wednesday or Thursday, and this is hitting my TP1, maybe I close the whole thing. Maybe I close 90%, right? Those kind of decisions you need to make based off of your account, your unique situation, where you are. Now, if I had a small account, and I consider anything less than $10,000 small, like if I had a small account and I was in scale mode and I'm trying to compound, baby, I'm taking 90%. I might close the whole thing, right? Because understand, this is a game of probability. The probability that TP1 gets hit before stop loss is like, I want to say about 80 to 90%, okay? Now, the probability that we reach from TP1 to TP2 before we hit stop loss is less than half of the first probability. And then to reach the third target is even less. So probability goes less and less as it goes up, right? Now, for me, why would I risk leaving money on the table or not breaking even or not being able to take any kind of profits knowing that I need to take that? Like, you can't be gambling the entire time, you know? Oh, fuck. Hopefully that makes sense. Compound interest in making the stack of cash, need patient compound interest. Yep. Do you enter on a limit order? Yeah, I have strategies that I do that for sure. I'm off, brother. Take care. Peace and love. Don't forget to give away access code. So excited for the boot camp. See you on the next stream. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, I'm going to be sending those out probably here in the morning. US open for VIP today. I'm doing, I'll be sending out trades. I'm not doing a live for New York, but I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for this US30 to fucking get to my level that I like, but it's just been acting weird. We'll see. Anyways, this stopped us out, guys. I'm not going to jump into another one. This is broke even. We hit TP1, so this is a win for us. Hopefully you guys were able to make some money off that. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the subs. We are like 10 people away from hitting 4,000 subs on YouTube. So much love, much love. I appreciate it. We have about 23 minutes left on the stream. I'm not going to be taking another trade. I'm already out. Made my little profit for today, which is fine. You know, don't think about like, oh, you only took partials on a TP1. Like, the question is, did you make money or did you lose money, right? Making money like is the whole goal here, right? So don't think about the amount. Don't think about the like, was the trade successful? And we were successful today, right? Even, damn, look at this. If we would have taken the gold trade, fuck, this would have been nice. Because like it broke out right here. You would have entered right there. You would have put your stops above the wick. You would have targeted your TP levels 1, 2, and 3, and you would have made like 30. It'd have been up 35 pips right now. Could have made about 50 pips on that. Sheesh. That would have been like a 1 to 3 risk to reward. That would have been a nice trade. I didn't take it because I didn't like the price action the way it was moving. I thought this was just a wick down and it was going to push back up. And I was wrong. See that? But the setup was still valid if you took that. Yeah, I'll send you guys the link right now for that. The promo for the 475. I think I put it on the main link. But for those that, because there's like a lot of new people coming in here that are asking me. So who's gonna join me tomorrow for the live stream with Trading Nut? Thank you for the live, man. Taking my ass back. All right, man. Good night.
Hello,
Have a great day, dude. Appreciate it, brother. See you tomorrow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See you tomorrow. We need 9 more subscribers to hit 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Like February of this year, and I know this because I like did a TikTok video. February we were like at 300 people, and now like we're at like 4,000. Like, it's crazy. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the love. Thanks for sharing the stream. Hope everyone made some money, learned something. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, brother. Yes, sir. I'll be here tomorrow for sure. We'll praise you. It's the same pairs, guys. GJ and Gold. Yeah, if you want to know what time and when I'm going live, guys, subscribe to the YouTube and then hit the notification bell. If you're on TikTok, I think subscribe and hit the alerts or whatever. Turn on the alerts. But yeah, I also send out the I send out to the Telegram, my free Telegram, the link whenever I'm live. But tomorrow I'm not sure how it's gonna work, like, cause I'm joining Trading Nuts stream. It's not on my stream, so I don't know if I'll be able to stream mine while on his. I don't know, but he's supposed to message me, and he's using like some software or whatever. So we'll see, but I will be tomorrow on Trading Nut. And we'll keep the live. That I hope we keep the live the winning streak alive, because we'll be on his channel. He has like 100,000. Like, I don't know, what is it? Let's see, 115,000 subscribers. Like, insane. Alright, please keep us informed on the free Telegram. Yes, sir, I will. I'll send updates in there. I do my best, and like if you don't get an update and I wasn't live or something, it's probably because I already sent the update before. Like, either on the live or I told you guys or something, but I tried to keep you guys updated. I know there's like new people that join and they're like, oh, where's he at? Like, and I had already given an update or something, because I don't like to be repetitive, you know? It's like, yo, we're 3 people away from 4,000 subscribers. Come on, guys. 3 people away. About to subscribe. Oh, please. Appreciate it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Gonna be at 4,000 subscribers shortly. 4,000 subscribers loading. Who's gonna be the lucky 3? Who's gonna be number 4,000? I remember when we got started. Free Telegram not working? What do you mean? Oh, one subscriber to go. Oh, somebody unsubscribed. You fucking asshole. That's funny. The free Telegram is not working? What do you mean? It should be working. Let me double check that for you, brother. I mean, there's people joining the free Telegram. I don't know why you're saying it doesn't work.
Hello,
Clicked
motherfucker.
on tree, but it takes me to the paid one. Oh, because you're clicking on the VIP one. Don't click on the VIP Telegram. Scroll down to the one that says Lord Bank's free
Hello,
Telegram.
motherfucker.
Yeah, that's what's going on. Yo, we're at 4,005 subscribers. What? That's crazy, guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. Appreciate it. We hit 4,000. We hit 4,000, guys. We're at 4,007 subscribers. Shit is going crazy. Do you know I show speed? No, I don't know who that is. Great content, Mr. Lord Banks. Love it. Appreciate it. You got an IG? I do. It's same as my channel, Lord Banks FX. There's a lot of spam, fake Instagrams, by the way. So the way you guys can tell which one is me is I follow 0 people. Okay? All the fake ones and the scammers, what they do is they go to mine and they follow everyone that's following me. And then they start messaging them, send me crypto, send me Bitcoin, and I'll manage your account, blah, 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 blah. I will never do that, okay? So just keep in mind, there's a lot of scammers out there. The way to identify which one the real me is I follow 0 people on Instagram. And it's spelled just like you see on the screen here, Lord Banks FX. You can find me on I have a Facebook page, I have Telegram, I have Instagram, I have Twitter. Everything is TikTok, same as this. Yeah, whenever you click on the free Telegram, it'll say the Telegram will be Lord Banks FX exclusive chat. That's the title of it. So just click join. I don't know what to tell you. Nice. Thanks. Appreciate the support. Yeah, we're at 4,010 subscribers now. 4,010 subscribers. It's crazy. We got about 11 minutes left. Hi, bud. I'm a mad fan. Made bucks with you today. Thank you. I purchased a 2-day boot camp, but still haven't received my confirmation email. Let's connect in the Discord. Thanks, bro. Oh, did you? When did you purchase the boot camp? I should have got an email. Let me see. Yesterday. Okay, let me see. Do you happen to be from Spain? A citizen. Because the only one I have is it, yeah, can you DM me on Instagram and send me the email that you used and I'll double check, because I saw the ones that came through up until yesterday and all of them got sent the payment confirmations. I live in Spain. Yeah. Yeah, it said it's sent. Yeah, I'll send it again right now. Watch. Let me send it one more time. It's the email you used, right? Like. Alright, I just sent the email again. So double check that. If not, just DM me on Instagram and we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I got it now. Nice. Cool. Oh. That gold would have been a nice trade. GJ was a win. She just came back to the break even and she might be pushing back up. It's all good. It was still a win. Not gonna hate on that. On the SP500, actually I haven't looked at that in probably about a month, to be honest. Have any of you guys been joining my Sunday weekly analysis? I'm just curious if you guys like that and if you guys been able to capitalize on the setups for that. I'm just curious if I should keep doing it or not, you know? No, but I will now. Nice, appreciate it. Yeah, let me know if you guys like that so I can keep doing it. SPS 500, yeah, it's the S&P 500. We got about 6.5 minutes left on the live stream, guys. Just watching the charts here. We already took our win. We're not in any active trades. Not going to be taking any more trades for this session. For New York session, I will be sending out my trades to the VIP. VIP is in there. Yeah, if you buy the promo package, the VIP will be lifetime without any monthly charges, correct. But there's only 5 spots for that. So you get, like, the promo pack, you get a bunch of things with that. So you get the course, you get a one-on-one with me, you get VIP lifetime, and you get the boot camp, the 2-day boot camp. But there's only, I think, like 5 spots left, or 4. I think some people just signed up. Yeah, once the spots are done, like the link won't work anymore. So the one-on-one is a 1 hour one-on-one. and I charge $1,500 for my one-on-ones, my 1 hour one-on-ones. I do 30 minutes for $750, but I gave a 1 hour one-on-one with the promo pack. I just wanted to do something special for all the new people that were coming in from the interview with Trading Nut, and I hadn't done a promo in a while, so I put that together for you guys. I only did 10 spots, so it's like halfway sold out. Excuse me. Got about 4.5 minutes left on the stream here, guys. Yeah, and when I do the one-on-ones, guys, I record it to give you the recording, and like I give you a whole assessment, you know, because like I don't just get on a call with you and we just talk. Like the purpose is for me to give you tangible action items for you to take back and improve your trading, right? So that's why, like, whenever you sign up for a one-on-one, there's questions for you. You need to answer the questions so I can understand where you are in your trading journey, and then be able to, like, be prepared for our one-on-one and give you that, like, value, right? You're gonna be leaving the one-on-one with tangible action items that you can implement right away, and see that progress. And I've had multiple people that have done one-on-ones with me, and I mean they seen the difference in their trading. I mean, right away, like, because sometimes that's what it takes. It takes an outside perspective to review, you know, your approach, and then be able to, you know, question those things and have a conversation to understand your psychology and why you do the things that you do. And then maybe it triggers you to understand, oh snap, okay, like maybe I should tweak this or think about this or approach it from a different perspective. Yeah, and if anyone's new here, completely new to trading, if you go to that link here, I offer a free newbie mini course. That is, anyone that's already trading, it's not for you. This is just giving you a background on what we're doing here, how to get set up, what it is, just to get you to a point where you can actually take a trade, right? And that is in the links. It's under LBFX newbie mini course free. So that's one of the things I noticed that it was kind of missing from the market. Like everybody's like, oh no, go figure out the basics and then come back, and the terminology and the history and the background, and you know what, you know, brokers are, and you know, all those kind of things. So I wanted to provide that. So if you go to this link here and find that free mini course in there, it's available for you guys. There is no indicator. I don't use indicators, guys. This is all I marked up at the beginning. If you want to know how I mark up the charts, I suggest joining the live stream when I start, because I do top-down analysis and mark it up. Or you can always go to my YouTube and check out the past recordings, or even this one, and see the replay and see it from the beginning, how I mark it up. I'm not about to go through that whole thing right now. We got got a minute left on the stream. Yeah, because I stop at 4 a.m. guys. It's 3:58 a.m. right now, and yeah, I'll be stopping here soon. Any last minute questions? I have a question. I bought your lifetime VIP for $350, and I can send you the receipt info to verify. Can I have access to the course? No, the VIP lifetime for $350. You talking about when I had a promo for the lifetime VIP for $350? No, I mean that's a different promo. So No, I cannot. But if you're in the VIP, you can get the VIP discount for the course. Yes, we have been here since morning. God bless you, my boss. Bro, is it possible to upgrade from the 2-day boot camp to the promo pack? You bought the boot camp and you want the promo pack instead? It's because I can't. If I do that for you, then like everybody's gonna want that, and there's only 6 spots in the thing, and you get way more than just a boot camp, you know. It's hard for me to make that kind of call because the amount of people that bought the boot camp already is way more than the spots available for the promo. Dang, look at this thing. She's pumping up. All right, guys, it's 4 a.m. It is my time. Thanks so much for the love. Thanks for the support. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Really, seriously, guys. We're at 4,000 subscribers. The community is growing super fast. And I love the way you guys bring the energy and ask a lot of questions, a lot of great questions. We'll be on tomorrow with Trading Nut. If you want to join us, make sure you are jumping in, subscribing, jumping into the free Telegram. Even if you can't afford the VIP or any of the paid services, there's free Discord. There's a free new group that I created for member setups. Right now it's CJ calling out setups on there. And anyone that I see that has a skill set, that has developed the skill set and that can, you know, be consistent and profitable, I'll be adding to that for them to be able to send out setups. And that's free, guys. So you guys can join that. That link is in the Telegram, and I'll send it out again so you guys have available. But other than that, it's my time. I appreciate you guys. Much love. Thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.